Hello and welcome to Friday Finance. In this video I will show you how to issue Friday cards to team members. Before diving into issuing a card to your team member, make sure the following 3 requirements have been met. 1. You have a Friday Finance business account open and verified. 2. The team member you want to issue a card to is a registered Friday Finance user in your workspace. 3. And lastly, that your team member has added their date of birth, tax identification number, and address in their profile settings, right here. Please note that the information must match their government-issued ID. In case you haven't invited your team member to your business account, head to the Workspace tab and select the team member you want to grant access to. Next, click on Grant Access next to the business account. The team member will receive an invite via email that they need to accept. Once completed, you can easily issue a card by selecting Issue a Card on your Cards tab. Within the pop-up window, select the team member you want to issue the card to and confirm your request via the SMS you received to authenticate the operation. That's all. Your card has been issued and you can now set its spending limits, whether it can make online purchases, and if you want to integrate it to your e-wallet.